god, the bird T-post. Wait, you can make a stick bag? Oh yeah, oh shit, dude. What do you need a stick bag? What do you need to make a stick bag? Is that
So today I'm gonna show you how to make those belt chains, and you can attach them to anything. They're really simple to make, and you can basically add any charms you want to the belt chains. But let's go and get the supplies ready. I chose to get these because they're so cute. It's like little flowers. I don't know the name of these in English. And it depends on how you want to connect these. But you can use either jump rings, or you can connect them by opening them up here and then sliding them into each other, which creates like a layering effect, so they're not perfectly aligned. Depends on what you like, but for these, because I want to keep the pretty shape, I'm gonna connect them by using jump rings. I didn't end up using all of the jump rings, like I have some left over. You can make them as long as you want to, but this is the length that I was going for. So now you can basically add anything you want to your chain. I'm still thinking about what I should add to that, because let's see. Because I didn't know what kind of charms I wanted, I laid out a few. I could add this whole chain or just a leaf, keys, I love keys. Maybe some crystals, I think this is aventurine, I'm not quite sure. I could even add like spikes to make it more of a grungy look. But what I decided on was a green palette, because green is one of my favorite colors. So here you can see the leaves, a little froggy, a handmade mushroom out of clay. And this is a crystal, it's jade, but it's dyed, so that's why it's green. And I think this is gonna look adorable, especially with the flowers. So I'm gonna put it all together and then we can see how it looks. This is the finished piece.